Hello, my name is Emily Leggett, and today I'll be teaching you how to make pumpkin pie mug meals. The first thing you're going to need is a bowl for your ingredients. Next up, we're going to take 1/3 of a cup of pumpkin. If you got the kit from the library, yours is already pre-measured out, but if not, I'll do it here as well. Once you have your 1/3, you can dump that in your bowl. Make sure you get all of it out. And then we will get ready for our next item. Next up, we'll be adding 1 tablespoon of milk. I used whole milk, doesn't really matter what kind of milk you use. Pour that into your bowl and get ready for our next ingredient. Next up, we'll be adding 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. I did a little bit more just for more flavor, but that's up to you. The minimum you need is 1 teaspoon. Next up, we're going to use half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Next up, you're going to take 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. After you add your brown sugar, you're going to do a pinch of salt. Following the salt, you're going to add cinnamon for taste. This is up to you. It is optional. I just did a little sprinkle of it. You can also add it on top afterwards or ignore it altogether. That's up to you. Okay, so this next part requires you to get a different bowl. What we're gonna do is for this recipe, we need half an egg. So what I do here is I crack an egg and put it in this other bowl, scramble it all up, and then pour out half of the egg into the recipe and either save the egg for something else or throw it away. Really, you can do this however you would like. The only thing that matters is that this recipe uses half of an egg. Also, if you're not sure that you can pour it from one bowl in the other without getting all of it in, then I would suggest using another bowl or a measuring cup to pour it into and then pour it into this final bowl. Following this is my favorite step, whisking it. If you have a whisk or if you have a spoon, you're gonna mix up all of the ingredients in this bowl until it is smooth. You really don't wanna see like that yellowy of the egg. It's gonna all look like one orange color and it'll be smooth and no bumps in it. Perfect. There we go. For now, we're going to put this to the side and get the mug that we are going to cook this in. Okay, so this is where the graham crackers come in. This is so we're going to have a graham cracker or any other cookie crust on the bottom. You can use anything you'd like. So you'll take a graham cracker and crush it up into the bottom of your mug. You can do it super fine so it's not as chunky, or you can do chunks. I do a bit of both in this. Whatever is your preference works. Once you have your graham crackers how you want, the next step is to take what we've made and pour it into the cup. So that mixture will go right over those graham crackers in whatever cup you are using. I personally found it helpful to have a spoon to make sure I got all of the mixture in. Now is a great time to remind you, as always when we're microwaving things, everyone's microwave is different. You're going to microwave this in 30-second increments and keep checking on it. Mine took a total of 3.5 minutes to be the texture that I wanted it to be. I'm going to post a picture after this showing you what it was like after it was microwaved. And ta-da! This is our mug meal without toppings yet. What you can do with that other graham cracker is crush it up on top like I did. You can also add chocolate chip cookies. You can add whipped cream. You can add whatever toppings you'd like. One of the biggest things you want to make sure is that top doesn't look wet. Sometimes you can leave it, it'll set and it'll be fine, but just in case, make sure you don't want it overcooked, but you don't want it to still be liquid in that mixture that we made. Ta-da! You have your mug meal pumpkin pie. As always, we would love to see your creations. Feel free to share them with us on social media or send us an email. Thank you so much for joining us for Pumpkin Pie Mug Meals. Foodie Fridays is a monthly event, so make sure you check our calendar at tewksburypl.org to see what other events we are doing. We look forward to seeing you soon. Bye!